they have less talking, they had less interaction with each other, right? So the years rolled by and we saw less of each other, means we could not talk much to each other, we could not share many things with each other. And for some time she continued to wake me up and get me ready for the school. So when I came back, she would ask me what the teacher had taught. So she was always in habit, when the author used to come back from school to home, the grandmother used to ask him what he has been taught in the school. And the author, I would tell her, means the author used to tell her English words and little things of Western science and learning, the law of gravity, Archimedes' principles, the world being round, etc. So the author used to tell her about English words, since the author had started going to English medium school. So he used to tell about the science taught in the school, as well as the other learning and the other laws of gravity and the principles and some of the things which he is learning in school. But did it make grandmother happy? Let's read. This made her unhappy. It's because she could not help me with my lessons, because she is unable to help the author in her lessons, since he has started going to English medium school, so she is unable to teach him. So this made her unhappy. She did not believe in the things they taught at English school and was distressed that there was no teaching about God and the scriptures. So what made grandmother worried? Because she did not believe the English medium, the schools, the English medium schools do not teach a lot of things. She believes in things taught in, she did not believe that English medium schools teach much better. But she was distressed, she was disappointed that there was no teaching about God and scriptures. Means he was not given much education about God and about its scriptures. Although now schools organize morning prayers every day. We have some of the contents which connects us to the scriptures, but grandmother's opinion was totally different from that of was totally different about the English medium schools. She was very disturbed. She used to get disturbed when she get to know about the learnings, when she used to ask the author. It made her disturbed. Now what happened? One day I announced, then one day when author comes back home, he announced that we were given a music lesson. So he was excited to learn music lessons, but she was very disturbed. But grandmother got disturbed when she got to know that he has been taught music lessons, because in opinion of grandmother, to her music had lewd association. So according to the grandmother, music is a lewd association. It means music is a vulgar association, is not good for people. So it was the monopoly of harlots and beggars and not meant for gentle folk. So in the opinion of grandmother, that music is monopoly. It means is the only monopoly of harlots. Harlots are prostitutes or who dances and sings and earns money. So it is the main profession of those harlots and beggars. These music is not meant for the gentle folk, means for the other people. It's only the main professions of harlots and beggars in the opinion of grandmother. She said nothing, but her silence meant disapproval. So she did not said after that she did not said anything to the author, but when she was silent, it means she is totally disapproved of the thought of teaching music in the school to the author. After that, she rarely talked to me. So what happened? When she was disapproval of teaching of English school, she stopped talking to the author after that. And soon and later on, the author grew up, right? I think this much is enough for today. We will come tomorrow. We have learned till now, and I hope you have understood each and everything. And till now we have talked about how does grandmother look like, how does grandfather look like, And how did they spend their time in village? They used to go together to a same school. Grandmother used to give him stale chapatis for eating, and even she was given author used to go together, and returning back home, so they used to feed dogs in the village. So when they shifted to city, they had a turning point in life, because the author started going to English medium school, and after that grandmother stopped going with him, and she used to feed dogs in the village, but now she could not feed the dogs, so she started feeding the sparrows in her courtyard of the city house. And she used to talk, but although she helps him up in getting waking him up, as well as getting him ready for school, but she used to ask him about what he has learnt in his school, but she was some ways disappointed from the education given in English schools. So her thoughts were totally different from that of education given in English schools. So she used to call it. So when she get to know that the author is learning about the music in the school, so she says it's the monopoly of harlots and beggars in the opinion of grandmother. So she stopped talking to him. Since then she got to know he has started learning music. So this is how, because maybe grandmother is a thought of olden times, because even when the author born, it was a good time. So but the thought of grandmothers were olden, and maybe because of that she could not make it match. So okay, this is how we have finished up today. Tomorrow we'll complete our chapter, and then we'll discuss question answers and word meanings of it. If we will see any poetic devices there, we will also discuss about that. So till now we have used 3 expressions given in front page. Is first, the thought was almost revolting, means the idea which came to him was hard to believe or hard to accept. An expense of pure white serenity, turning point. So these 3 expressions we have learned today. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Do read the lesson again for more clarity of the lesson. And thank you. Have a nice day. Stay at home. Be healthy. Thank you.